Are you reading me?
Uncle Gammy, how did you make a call out of Freeland?
I'm inside the ASA system. Look, I can bring you in anytime, sweetheart. But I've got some bad news.
What is it?
The Markovians have got special forces units patrolling the area around Freeland's perimeter. Looks like Pathfinder units doing a pre-invasion reconnaissance. And I'm reading a patrol that's within spitting distance from where you are.
No, if they find out where the Purdy farm is, it jeopardizes everything. Guide me to them.
And there's another unit at 6 o'clock. Wait until they pass by. Now. You're close. 15 yards.
Какого черта?
Get out of there, Anissa.
Подтверждаю. Метачеловек обнаружен. Начать фазу 2.